reality of playing the violin. Vibrato is not a skill for beginners, okay? So akala ng iba, madali lang yan, alug-alugin mo para gumanda yung tunog mo, no? But when you learn vibrato, you have to first understand the basics of the playing the violin, foundations of your left hand, and also good ears, no? Kailangan maayos na yung intonation before you get into vibrato. So vibrato is like ketchup, diba? Pampalasa lang siya. It's not an end all be all na parang you need it in order for you to be good, no, yung tone production, no. Pero it's not really the case, no, kasi pag nag-aral ka ng vibrato early on in your violin playing, you risk the intonation part of your playing. So nawawala ka sa tono because a vibrato technique or the vibrato in itself, when you do it, it's a fluctuation of the sound, no? So nawawala talaga siya sa tono. So you are deliberately playing it out of tune and then in tune again, back and forth. Yun yung dahilan kung bakit gumagawa siya ng vibrating effect, no? It's an effect. It's not really number one skill na kailangan mo. So, kahit walang vibrato, maayos yung tone production, nasa tono yung pagpe-play natin, maganda yung lalabas na sound. So, huwag kayong matakot, especially for beginners. Don't think na if I can have good vibrato, pangit yung magiging sound ko, no? It will add or enhance already good tone. Pero kung hindi maganda yung tone mo, hindi maganda yung intonation mo, tapos mag-aaral ka ng vibrato, it will damage it more, 'di ba? Mas mahihirapan kang ayusin yung mga bagay na dapat mong ayusin muna. So, when do you learn vibrato? Usually when you start learning how to shift. When you start to understand how to shift, kasi the formation or the movement of shifting is the same as the movements for vibrato. So sana nakatulong to. Follow for more and I'll see you on the next one.